As humans, most of us crave social connection. During these times of social distancing and self isolation, it's more important than ever to keep in touch with family and friends. As an alternative to face contact, setting up regular video chats or phone calls is a safe way to spend quality time with our loved ones. It's also important to keep our minds engaged during this trying time. This can include doing anything from reading to doing some housework to finally starting that new project you've been putting off. Aside from keeping our minds engaged, it's equally important to stay active and not neglect our physical health. Getting some fresh air, going for a walk, or following a suitable online exercise class are all great options to keep in shape and remain healthy. Any health issue can qualify you for long-term disability as long as your doctor supports that you cannot work as a result of that issue. Prior to advancing a long-term disability claim, you will have to go through the normal procedure of going on short-term disability and/or EI, and then applying for long-term disability. Should your claim be denied, we are here to help. Working from home has had no impact on our ability to represent and do a great job for all of our clients. Our office has been prepared to work remotely for some time, which has allowed us to work from home just as we would if we were at the office. The only change from our perspective is that we miss being able to see each other. Thankfully, with the help of video conferencing technology, we are still able to maintain regular contact.